This microphone will not record the sound correctly because it's directional mic, and the best of the both worlds is this solution. Sound in speed, camera in speed, and action! Welcome to another Create Greg video. My name is Greg, and in today's episode we will talk about how to get that crispy audio in the easiest possible way. I got a couple microphones as well as recording devices, and I will share with you which one I've been using the most for recording this kind of talking head video as I'm doing right now, and which of them I've been using mostly to work with the client. I would like to focus on the ease of the use. From my experience, complexity is the enemy of execution, so everything which I can simplify to shoot YouTube videos or when I'm working with the clients, especially when I'm doing solo filmmaking, it's priceless. So let's focus today on the easiest solution. But first of all, let's walk through all of them. Let's start with this fluffy option from Rode, VideoMicro Compact on-camera microphone. Very light and portable with this windshield, which you can put on the top when you use outdoor and it's windy to get better quality of the sound. If you see anyone using them indoor, there is no need to do it because, as I said, it's a windshield. So if you put on your microphone when you shoot indoor, you reduce the amount of sound recorded by that microphone. So using just only outdoor, 3.5mm jack. The biggest disadvantage of this microphone when you mount it on the camera like mine I'm using at the moment, which is like 2 meters away from me, I need to make it fairly sensitive to capture my voice, which will reduce to capturing a lot of noise as well. Fairly good and cheap solution, but not recommended. Next one to talk about will be shotgun mic. I will talk about them in general. This particular one is NTG2, and to be honest with you, I do not remember when I was using this one for the last time. Even with commercial project, when you shoot solo, to use this one you would need a boom operator. I've been using boom in the past and it's very challenging. You have to work out your shoulders to be able to carry over your head for the long time to capture that good audio. When you use it in studio, you can mount it above your head and point directly towards your face and speak to it. The biggest downside for me is you need to have it set, so every time when I need to record it, I will need to set separately, get the boom pole, get it above my head to record that sound, which is a bit of time consuming. And as I said, I've been always trying to find the easiest solution. On the top of that, to get that professional audio, you would need XLR input. The biggest drawback, you would need interface to be able to connect it to your camera, because most of DSLR do not have it. You will find the XLR input in professional cameras. This one will give you the best audio, but there is a lot of hassle with that and is the most expensive solution from all of it. Now let's talk about this budget solution from Movo, the company which sells microphones on Amazon. There's quite a lot of them, and I've been using this one at my early stages and kind of like it. It's fairly cheap. It will cost like 12 to 15 pounds. You can connect this one to the camera, but you're limited with the cable. You can get the extension cable, but what I've been doing in the past, I got this connector from Apple, which I was able to connect this microphone to my iPhone, and I've been using this one to record sound separately and then syncing the sound in post-production. The drawback, as you got already, you need to sync all of it in post-production. If you recorded a lot, there's a lot of hassle, especially if something went wrong. I couldn't monitor this sound, so sometimes I didn't know whether I was recording properly. When I was using with clients, it happens sometimes they pull it, so I lose this sound. So not reliable solution with a lot of hassle. What is good about this microphone, you can fairly easy mount them on your gamut with close proximity to your face. So when you record dialogues, you can lower the sensitivity and eliminate all this unwanted noise because of how close you can get that microphone to you. You can move around it freely, which is great advantage and actually disadvantage of shotgun mic, because when you mount the shotgun mic above you and you turn your head the opposite way while saying something, this microphone will not record the sound correctly because it's directional mic. This is why you use them with the boom operators. And the best of the both worlds is this solution from Rode called Lavalier GO. These two tiny devices, which one of them is transmitter with built-in microphone and the other one is receiver. This one will cost you £150 and less than initial price, because Rode released the version 2, which you will get 2 transmitters and 1 receiver, and this one costs around £300, so double of that. I would recommend rather to buy 2 of them than one of the wireless Go. With the 2 one you will get the redundancy set, which is always useful. I'm actually using 2 of them instead of buying the higher version. This one has like built-in microphone, which is okay, and you can record on the go. Actually, the sound you hear at the moment is from one of this wireless Go and the built-in microphone. I clip this one to my shirt and recording audio as we speak. Both of these devices is very reliable. I had never issue with them, but the true magic happened when you upgrade it and you buy Rode wireless lapel microphone. You get the transmitter, you plug it to the jack port, then you connect to your shirt. You can put the cable under your shirt, an excessive amount of the cable you can loop around the device, clip it, and you can put into your pocket and you are ready to go. What's super cool about this device, like once you connect this Pro mic, you get this soft and crispy sound, and everything in this portable wireless solution, everything is passed to the receiver, which is connected to your camera. Once you set the level right, which you can monitor as you record, no issue from then on. With this kind of talking head video, I can set it, forget it, focus on video while audio will take care of yourself. I would say this solution is priceless. A couple of thoughts: as you can look at my cable, you will see a red tape. Because what I've learned in the past with this kind of microphone, especially when you try to put them in the pocket, you can damage cable. So this part of the cable connection to the jack is the weakest part, so I'm always using the extra tape to strengthen that, to save myself buying another one. You cannot change batteries with this one, so it's built in, so be sure that you recharge before every single shoot. I've got 2 of them, so every time when I'm going to shoot, I always have the redundant set, and pretty much that all. The one thing I would love to add to it: when you work with the client and they don't want to see the microphone, or you work more on the feature length, when the microphone should not be visible and you are not going after the boom operator, you can use something which is called InvisiLav. It is the small silicone add-on, so once you get your microphone, and you will take it from there. Once you take your microphone, is this lovely silicone add-on which you can mount your microphone inside, and then you can use the sticker and you can hide it under your shirt. So from now on it will be invisible and you will still get the benefits of this wireless solution. Guys, I hope you found today's messy video useful. If yes, consider leaving that thumbs up to help YouTube algorithm to do the job. If you got any question or something wasn't clear, drop them down in comments and I will do my best to answer all of them. If you would be interested in purchasing on any of that equipment, I will drop affiliation link as well. And guys, thank you very much for staying with me until the end. Whew. Ooh, this one went hard. Ooh, I hope it's still alive. That's the price you pay to get that cool intro. That's irresponsible. Don't do it at home.